Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. So rates have certainly gone up this week. We're going to talk about why in just a moment. Let's just go through all the updates. So Monday this week, pretty quiet news day. Tuesday of this week, pretty quiet news day. Wednesday was really when everything started to heat up. So first Wednesday of the month, we get employment reports. First Wednesday, we get ADP. ADP is the largest provider of private payrolls here in the U.S. I can't believe another month has gone by. ADP employment report on Wednesday was stronger than expected. There was an expectation in the month of September that 180,000 new jobs would be created, and we had 230,000 new jobs created according to ADP. So definitely stronger than expected. Friday, today, we get the BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics, and BLS gives us employment reports as well. Usually the BLS has more of a market movement potential than ADP. So today we had an expectation of 180,000 new jobs being created. Due to recent hurricane, it was less than expected at 134,000 new jobs. We also got unemployment. Unemployment rate is the best it's been in 50 years, went from 3.9% down to 3.7%. So why have rates gone up? A couple reasons. Here we are in October. The Federal Reserve quite a while ago started quantitative easing, and with that, they were purchasing mortgage-backed securities in U.S. Treasuries. So they're basically pumping money into the bond markets. And when you have money artificially getting pumped into the bond markets, it's causing rates to go down. Well, starting about a year and a half ago, they started to taper out of this quantitative easing. And in the month of October, they now got to a point to where they are no longer reinvesting in mortgage-backed securities in U.S. Treasuries. So now, on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, we don't have this continual push of cash into the markets that was forcing mortgage rates to go down. So now we have that, and that's going to be adding volatility to our market because it's going to probably create more room for a downside in rates, so meaning rates would go up, and then potentially an upside in rates here in the near future. So we're going to see some volatility. We have to keep an eye on that. Also, we got weekly earnings today. As part of the unemployment reports or employment reports through the BLS, we get earnings information. They look at hourly earnings and weekly earnings. And right now, weekly earnings are at an 11-year high. So the cost of having employees right now on a weekly basis is at an 11-year high. So this is what's called wage pressure inflation. As we see inflation in the market, inflation is also the enemy of mortgage rates and bonds as well. So we've probably seen, depending on the loan program, anywhere from a quarter to a 0.5% increase of rates this week alone. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help you. I'd love to be part of your business. Happy Friday. Have a great day.